Joseon everyone, my name is Martin Wong and I am a photographer. I'm trying to be a little bit quieter today because I am at an airport lounge right now at Amsterdam. Well, by the time you're watching this, I should be back in Los Angeles, probably eating Hong Kong food at a restaurant somewhere. I had a great time in Europe this week and I got some awesome photos that I cannot wait to show off. But today I want to show you all a quick trick on Instagram, and it is how to make a collage without using a third-party app. Now this works a lot better on an iOS device, but it should work on some Android device as well. Alright, let's make a collage from the photos I took in Europe. First, you need to choose a background. There are 3 options. 1, you can use an existing photo or video from your camera roll. Number 2, you can take a photo directly from your IG story page. And number 3, you can paint it over with the brush tool. Alright, so I fully painted it. Next, you're going to open up your camera roll and choose a photo that you wanted. Let's choose the Eiffel Tower. I love this shot. Then you have to click on the share button in the bottom left corner. And then scroll down, click copy. Lastly, we're going back to the Instagram app. Then you click on any empty area to activate the typing tool. Then you click on the typing cursor and press paste. There you have it. That's the first photo to add to my collage. You can move and resize your photos any way you want. Repeat these steps to add more photos to the collage. And then you're done. For Android users, you can do the same thing if you have the copy functions. Basically, you just have to add a photo to your clipboard. I have tried this with a screenshot function because it let me add a photo to the clipboard and paste it into the Instagram story. That's it. I have to catch my flight. Until next time, if you have any special tips or tricks for Instagram, please leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. See ya. This is how I recorded my video. Yeah, that looks perfectly safe. Ah, this is so bitter.